Hi, for this video I was allowed to test the Levoit Core 300S, a powerful and smart air purifier with app control. I test the suction power, and the strength of the airflow, then the volume, and the power consumption. Of course, I carried out the tests on all 4 power levels. Before I start, I'll briefly explain the features and design of the air purifier. It measures 22 by 36 centimeters and weighs around 2.7 kilos. The air purifier has a very simple design. You can unscrew the base at the bottom and the filter is hidden behind it. This filter has 3 filter layers. One is the pre-filter, which captures larger particles and protects the main filter. Behind this is the HEPA filter, which is responsible for dust, pollen, and allergens. And finally, there is an activated carbon filter that reduces odors and gaseous pollutants. The service life depends on the air pollution and its filtering. The manufacturer also offers various filter inserts that have been developed and optimized for special applications. In addition to the original filter, there is the pet hair filter, the car exhaust filter, and the mold filter. I'll quickly show you all the functions on the touch control panel. In the middle, you switch the device on and off. Use the fan button to set the level between 1 and 3. The display is shown in 4 colors depending on the room air quality. In my case, I have very good air quality. To the right, you can set the automatic mode. In this mode, the air strength is based on the room air quality. We have an air quality sensor installed that continuously measures the quality. You can switch the lighting on and off using the lamp button. You can lock the controls using the lock button. To unlock it again, press and hold the button for a short time. With the timer function, you can set the automatic switch off to 12 hours in 1-hour increments. You can activate the night function using the moon button. Here the lighting switches off automatically so that it does not disturb you in the bedroom. These are all functions that you can set on the device itself. However, you can also control this model via the app, which gives you a few more advantages. You can control the air filter remotely via the VeSync app and set all the functions just shown via your smartphone. As you can see here, the response is almost instantaneous. Here you can see the filter service live, which in my opinion is a very nice feature. Other options in the app are that you can create a schedule in which you determine exactly when the device should work for you. You can also integrate it into your smart home and control it by voice via Alexa or Google Assistant. Finally, you can set the timer to the minute in the app. Here you can see how the device switches off automatically after the time has elapsed. Let's move on to the strength test. Here we look at how strongly the 360-degree air inlet draws in the air using a piece of paper. Then I'll show you how strongly the filtered air is blown back into the room. Overall, the model has a lot of power at maximum level if you need to go faster. It is said to clean up to 240 cubic meters per hour of air. Let's move on to the volume test. Here I measure all power levels at a distance of about 1 meter. Night mode is really inaudible at 31.5 decibels. Level 1 is slightly audible with a measurement of 38.5 decibels. Level 2 is quite audible at 48 decibels, but still bearable when working. Level 3 is quite loud at 58 decibels and is well suited to quickly circulating a lot of air when you are not in the room. Overall, the noise is always consistent. The last test is the power measurement in watts. In sleep mode, it consumes just 2 watts. At level 1, it consumes 4 to 6 watts. At level 2, it consumes 9 to 10 watts. And at maximum level, it consumes a fairly constant 22 watts. A good trade-off in my eyes. Let's come to my conclusion. Overall, the Levoit Core 300S offers excellent user-friendliness both on the device and via the app control. The intuitive touch panel works smoothly and is easy to use, while the app connection is reliable and problem-free. The controls, both directly on the device and via the app, are super intuitive. The appliance also impresses with its powerful performance and high operating efficiency. Functions such as sleep mode and the timer increase ease of use and enable flexible use according to individual needs. Real-time air quality monitoring ensures optimum adjustment of the cleaning settings. An important aspect is the ongoing cost of filter replacement, which should be considered when purchasing the appliance. Despite these ongoing costs, the Levoit Core 300S is very powerful and can be purchased with a clear conscience. I will link you to the model in the video description below the video. If you have any questions, feel free to write them in the comments. Thanks for watching, and until the next video, all the best.